I'm David Haig from Creative Content. In CCTV News today, here are all the major stories. Blackmagic Design surprised everyone again this week by releasing an $800 DaVinci Resolve colour panel. I haven't as yet seen one physically, but according to Blackmagic, it will sit perfectly next to a keyboard and is perfect for an on-site laptop combination. The company says the panel has all the controls you need for refined colour grading and connects via either USB-C or Bluetooth. All the specifications are at the web address below. Zhiyun has also been quick off the mark with yet another gimbal system, although this time they simply called it a stabiliser. Called the Smooth 5S, inevitably it also has the suffix AI in its name, and according to Zhiyun, features advanced algorithms that continually adjust the gimbal based on the subject's movements, ensuring consistently sharp and clear footage. The US dollar pricing puts the Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI at $169 for the base unit, and with all the goodies, including a light system and camera bag, for $249. I'll have a full review unit soon, and you can see all the specs at this web address below. In broadcast news, Nine Entertainment secured the services of Silvertrack to build the Nine Media Room, where reviewers and media contacts can access pre-release assets such as videos, images and program synopses. Nine's requirements for the new Nine Media Room included the ability to securely and selectively share video content to a limited list of authorised viewers. Additionally, it had to be able to present the videos in a way that was aligned with the company's brand guidelines, whilst being able to add critically useful content describing the videos or shows to which they belonged. The full story is at the web address below. If a new mirrorless camera is on your shopping list, the new Nikon ZF might be just the ticket. I recently had the pleasure of reviewing a model supplied by Nikon and was very impressed. It reminded me very much of analogue cameras of old, but had all the technical wizardry expected in this day and age. Indeed, Nikon say this is done on purpose. You can read my review at this web address. Finally, if you are thinking of flying your drone over a crowd or at night, think again. A South Australian man has been fined $16,500 for doing just those very things. Admittedly, he was caught as a part of a drug sting, although no drugs were found on the drone, but it is still a cautionary tale. And that is all the major news for this week ending July 5th, 2024. To be notified of new broadcasts, simply subscribe to this channel. Don't forget my online tutorials too. They are all free and available titles can be seen at this web address. Once again, I'm David from Creative Content, and thanks for watching. My contact details are on your screen. Oh, one more thing. If you use a GoPro or other action type camera, I think you'll like my free 60-page e-magazine. You can download it from my website at www.creativecontent.au and select the option in the menu bar.